This short clip explains how to buy shares of Worley Limited and shows the practical steps. Worley Limited is an engineering and professional services firm serving energy and infrastructure, listed on CBOE-AUS under the ticker WOR.ASX. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To start, you will need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker WOR.ASX to find the official listing. Select the result that matches Worley Limited to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Check the exchange shows CBOE-AUS and the ticker WOR.ASX to be sure. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For more details, follow the eToro link in the description.